Right this way. Come on.
builders?
Two. Okay?
How many go down that way? Two.
Right.
How many builders in your project?
Whoa!
Right here. We have a builder right here. Come on down. You're gonna be right here. Come on, next builder right here. Welcome. Welcome to Savi's workshop. First, I want to apologize for bringing you in so quickly. With the stormtrooper activity outside, we had to make sure that everything was safe for your arrival. Now that you're here, take a look around. What do you think? I get the flat eyes, I know. Looks like a lot of junk and clutter in here. But to us, this is so much more. To us, all this is everything. I'm sorry, where are my manners? Let me introduce who we are. This is Darush, this is Jet, and my name is Ben, and we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. Now, as Gatherers, we travel across the galaxy to abandoned planets, fallen starships, even ancient Jedi and Sith temples. Items we find, all of these relics, we bring them back here to the workshop for all of you. You see, this is a place where if a stormtrooper were to walk in here, hopefully all they would see would be junk and clutter. But we know truly the treasure that lies within these walls. You see, as Gatherers, we understand we need to preserve our past to ensure a bright and promising future for all of you. Because builders, as you've seen outside, these are troubled times. But in troubled times, legends are born. Like the legendary Luke Skywalker. You heard of him?
Yeah.
Excellent. That's a long story otherwise. And now there's a new Jedi on the rise. Her name is Rey. And she's a spark of hope in the galaxy. And I'm guessing that's why you're all here to answer that call for hope?
Yes.
Maybe most of you, I hope. You're also here for this. The lightsaber. And the lightsaber is beautiful and mysterious. It's been held by some of our greatest heroes and some of their darkest enemies. You see, building a lightsaber is a work of art. It is a way for the builder to connect to the Force. Today, each one of you will feel that connection. But building a lightsaber starts with one very important thing: the kyber crystal. And the kyber crystal, some say, is the heart of your lightsaber. It is able to focus the energy of the Force and magnify it. And the color of your crystal will determine the color of your lightsaber blade. And there are many colors in the galaxy. Say we have 4 feet to choose from. We'll begin with this one, the blue. Once held by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi. His apprentice, Anakin Skywalker, and now, our spark of hope, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and the legendary Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and so beautiful, once held by Master Mace Windu. Red, crystal of power. Darth Vader, Savi Ventress, Darth Sidious, and now it is held by Kylo Ren. But those are all their stories. Today, we're here for each one of you. This time, Bruce and Jeff will be coming around the canvases of crystals.
Go and choose your
For
crystal,
you
my
to
friend.
choose your very own.
Red. Go place right here, my
When you see that
friend.
crystal calling you, take it. It's yours. Place it on that green
Good.
bed in
Place
front
it
of
right
you.
here.
It's not quite stable. Just
Choose your crystal.
Alright, builders, now that we're crystals in place, we're going to bring on the parts and pieces that you previously selected to build the lightsaber. Now the hilt of the lightsaber is the foundation for everything we're building today. It is the center of control. And it will also keep your hands from being slipping, which is kind of important. Now I know, this looks like a lot of parts and pieces in front of you. But don't worry, we're going to be going through every step of our journey together as one. And now let's take a look at this floor. In front of you, you will have a chassis that will house your kyber crystals. You'll have a set of 4 grips. You'll be choosing 2 of those. An emitter for the top of your build, a pommel cap for the bottom, and at the very end of your box, a set of activation plates to hold the power of your crystal in. Now it is time to embark upon that journey someone waited a lifetime to embark upon. Builders, are we ready to build?
Yeah.
All right, let's build. Pick up that chassis first, and notice in the center of that chassis there is an opening. That is where your kyber crystal is going to live. So let's take our kyber crystal. Now there'll be a little bit of a spring pad in there. You'll be able to feel with your finger. Depending on how you have the chassis set, it could be in the top or the bottom. Make sure your crystal goes into the center, push against that spring pad, and bring it to a standing position inside the center of that chassis. Now if you kind of wedge it around a little bit in there, play with that spring pad, you should be able to bring it to a position where it's going to be glowing for you. Once you have that inside, it should be glowing. If you spin that crystal around, it should not fall out. And so the next step, we need to make sure everyone has the hollow end pointing up once you have the crystal inside. That is the top of your build. Alright, let's spin glowing crystal. Excellent, very good. Alright, let's move to the next step. We're going to go all the way to the end of our box to box number 5. In box number 5, in the very end of your tray, you're going to see 2 sets of activation plates. I want you to pick what pair that calls to you. I want you to look inside that activation plate, and you're going to find a blue or a red color inside the plate. Whichever one you want, look inside the plate, find the color inside the plate, and then match it to the color inside your chassis. Blue to blue and red to red. That plate should go right on top of the color it corresponds.
Red on red.
Okay? Blue exactly on blue, and red exactly on red. One on either side of the opening of that crystal area. That's the sound we want to hear. Once you're on the computer, you can slide it your activation. You should hear a misfire, and that means everything's working as it should. Good job, brother. Alright, well, let's hear that misfire. Yeah, that's what I want to hear. Very good. Alright, let's move to the next step. Let's go all the way back to boxes 1 and 2. In boxes 1 and 2, you're going to see 4 grips. And I want you to pick your 2 favorite grips. You're going to choose one for the top and one for the bottom of your build. Now, any of those 4 grips can be for the top or the bottom. Just picking your 2 favorites. There's one thing to note, though. Take a look at those grips and you'll find that sticker band. That sticker band in the middle of one end needs to go towards the center of your build. You're going to push and turn, and it should tighten up and secure your activation leg. It's going to give some pressure. Keep it on left and right, and it should tighten up. Very good. And you can do whatever two you like. Once you have those secure, you should have your activation plates in the middle. You should have a grip on either side. Okay? And if you move that hook around, it will not be falling off. So we want to go into battle with loose grips. You want your opponent to win. There you go. And that's it. Alright, for those of you who are ready, we are going to go to the next step. Let's go to box number 3. That's going to be your emitter. Now where the hollow end is at the top of your build, that's where your blade is going to emit from. Put that on the hollow end and gently spin it on down. No need for pressure here, you're just going to spin it until it's secure. Good. Once that emitter is secure, you're going to turn the whole build over. You're going to see your power cells on the bottom. You're going to take one of the 2 from box 4, gently set it on the bottom, and spin that one on down too. Okay? Now, this will be made with completed build. If you do, great work. You set it on the hook end. Now that you're done, you're great.
I think the bottom one. Just the bottom.
Alright, what do you think, Builder? Like it? That's very impressive. Alright, let me make sure this is clear, okay? Feels nice and solid. Alright, when it comes time to slide that forward, that's going to activate your saber and turn it on. That's going to deactivate and turn it off, okay? I'm going to hand that back to you. Move these pieces here, power that saber, and whenever you're set, you set it right here, okay? Thank you. Great work. All right, what do you think, Builder?
Good.
That's very impressive. Can I see? All right, just make sure everything is secure. Feels nice and solid. All right, when it comes time, we're going to slide this forward. That's going to activate your saber.
Okay.
Back down to deactivate and turn it off, okay?
Yes.
Now, there are a couple things I'd like to note about this saber. It is quite a powerful saber, so make sure you hang on to it when you activate it, okay? And also this emitter is quite large. At some point you're going to be getting a sheath to kind of put it inside. That sheath doesn't really handle this large emitter too well.
Okay.
So I know it's a very powerful saber, and rather than having it rip it all the way down, maybe just take this one piece off, put it in your backpack, that way you can keep it safe. All the rest of it can go inside blade forge.
Okay.
Okay? You set this right there, and you are definitely ready. Very impressive. Hi, builders. I see some wonderful work in front of me. Congratulations. But now comes the most important part, stabilization. So if you could, I'd like everyone to take a big step back. Maybe if you can, take another step back. The gathers are now coming around to stabilize your crystals in our crystal stabilization chambers. This is very important work and takes a practice hand, as even the slightest mistake could cause some unexpected surprises. Not sure if you've noticed, but kind of running out of candles to fill those holes in the ceiling. As we move to the next step, we need to make sure that everything is safe and secure. Savita, how are we looking out there? That was a long pause there.
We should be fine, yeah.
Okay, yeah, you sound real confident about that.
I'm not. What is that?
Hold on, we can fix it. Don't worry. Find out what we can do.
With many parts you began, yes. With the heart of the saber they are going, much more they will become. It's time.
Master Yoda. Builders. The force must be stronger between today. But he's right. It is time to forge that bond between Builder and lightsaber. In just a moment, I'll have you step forward, place your hand on your hilt, and together is when we will activate. Your journey has led you to this moment right here. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Please step forward. Place your hand on your hilt. Now activate! Builders! Raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber that the Jedi set before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. The builders, raise them high and proud. Congratulations, the bond is complete. You may now lower and deactivate the lightsaber. Well done.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but like your head, it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, builders, for seeking us out today. The lightsabers you built are as unique and amazing as each and every one. Now, in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power? Well, it should not be dropped on the ground. So to protect your new lightsaber, we're pleased to offer you a saber sheath that should work. Sadly, our time together today is coming to an end. And your journeys are just beginning. It's time for you to go out and make more mark of the galaxy. Who knows? Maybe next time, we'll be telling each and every one of your war stories here in the workshop. When you stay here at the outpost,